So I don't want to make it any longer. You can imagine the rest. I don't have enough power, and I don't want to spend a lot of time with uploading this video as well. So I make the job, I make this. If you like it, put a like, share, spread the mission, and thank you very much. Have a great day. And after more than 3 hours of work, it has been nice again. I think so. It's nice again, and it's nice and clear here, nice and clear here. And I collected four bags of garbage bags. It has been nice here. It also has been nice here, and now I try to put these little pairs. I just started. Put these little pairs into the bag, and then I can go and plant those nice flowers. I hope they are in water, so it will not be big problem for them. And there's a lot of pears. It's not easy. Alright, now the garbage bags are more and more again. I cannot fit. Alright. And now the next tide up is coming, but now the sea is more calm, the weather is changed, so I think it will be not as much garbage again. But yes, and it's also good. Right. Now if the weather gets better, then I can take my kayak, and 2 by 2 I can take the garbage bags to Phi Phi city, and then it can start again. See you.